Have you ever been in a whiskey bar and heard terms like single malt and blended malt thrown around and found it utterly confusing? It doesn't have to be. Today we break down these whiskey types in 1 minute. The key is to dissect these terms into two parts, single versus blended and grain versus malt. Single refers to a whiskey made from only one distillery, while blended refers to a whiskey that's a mixture of whiskeys produced by more than one distillery. Easy. Next, when comparing malt and grain, it's key to know that whiskey is mainly made from four types of grain: barley, corn, rye, and wheat. Malt whiskies refer to whiskies made from 100% barley that has been germinated in a process called malting, while a grain whiskey refers to whiskey that has been made, at least in part, from other grains apart from barley. Now back to the bar. If someone says single malt, they're referring to whiskey made from a single distillery and of 100% malted barley. A blended malt is a blend of single malts produced by different distilleries. A single grain is a whiskey made from one distillery and containing other grains apart from malted barley. Finally, a blended grain is a blend of single grain whiskies from different distilleries. So now you know, the next time you're at a bar, you never have to be confused again. Go forth and order with confidence.